Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and credentials so the setup handshake is fast and reliable. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is unlocked, on the same Apple ID, and Bluetooth is enabled. Homepod reads iCloud settings to join Wi-Fi automatically. Plug Homepod into power and place it within a few feet of your device until the white pulsing light appears. Once done, keep the device unlocked and the Home app ready. This first proximity step reduces pairing errors and speeds configuration. Now begin the actual pairing. Open the Home app and tap the plus icon to add an accessory, or simply hold your unlocked device close to the HomePod and accept the setup card that appears. Follow the animation prompts, select a room to organize devices, and allow HomePod to use your Apple ID and home data. This links automation and permissions. Make sure the displayed Wi-Fi network matches the one you want. HomePod typically inherits the network from your device to avoid typing passwords manually. Finish by allowing any required software updates and waiting for HomePod to report as ready in the Home app. Test Siri, ask for the time, and stream audio via AirPlay to confirm Wi-Fi and audio paths are working. If something goes wrong, first restart your router and HomePod and try setup again. Make sure your iPhone's Wi-Fi is the same network and that no captive portal is blocking access. As a last resort, reset HomePod and repeat the Home app setup to clear persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.